Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all parents and my dear students. Hope you all are fine and in good condition of Iman. Today we are going to do nursery task of day 5. We are going to read page number 57 and we are going to write on page number 47, 48. So open your English reading book, page number 57. We are going to do the concept of that, where we use that. We are going to learn use of that. So open your workbook. Let's start the work. We use that when something singular is far from us. जब कोई एक सिंगल चीज़ हमारे से दूर होती है तो हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? that. And if something is near to us, then we will use this. And where we use that when something singular is far from us. So students, now let's start reading. Let's read. Look at the first picture. What is this? Here is a was, but it is far from the boy. So we will use that. So make sentence with that. That is a was. What is the spelling of that? T-H-A-T, the at that, the at that. And what is the spelling of was? The V-A-S-E, was, V-A-S-E, was. And was begin with a consonant letter V. So we will use article a. We will not use an. This is a was. Look at the next picture. What is it? It's an orange, and orange is far from the boy. So we will make sentence with that. That is a or an. We will use an with orange because beginning letter is vowel O, and we will use an with O. That is an orange. Look at the next picture. Here is a hut, and hut begins with letter H. H is a consonant, so we will use a hut. And hut is far from the boy, so we will use that. We will not use this. So let's make sentence with that. The at that. That is a hut. A hut. That is a hut. Look at the next picture. Here is an envelope. And envelope begins with letter E. E is a vowel, so we will use an. And it is far from the boy, so we will use that. Let's make sentence with that. That is an envelope. That is an envelope. The at that is an envelope. Now look at the next picture. What is in the picture? Here is a king. Look at the king. And he is far from the boy. So we will make sentence with that. That is a king. What we will use? A, because king begins with letter K. K is a consonant letter. We are using article a. That is a king. The at that is a king. Look at the next picture. Here is an ice cream. Ice cream begins with I. I is a vowel, so we will use article an. And ice cream is far from the boy, so we are using that. The at that. That is an ice cream. Look at the next picture. Here is a car, and car is far from the boy. And car begins with letter C. C is a consonant. So which article we will use? Yes, we will use a. So let's make sentence. That is a car. That is a car. Look at the next. Here we have an umbrella. An umbrella is far from the boy. Umbrella begins with U. U is a vowel. So we will use article an. So let's make sentence. The at that. That is an umbrella. That is an umbrella. So students, it was your reading task. Now we will do written task. Page number 47. We are going to use that is a or an to make sentences. So we will make sentences by using that is a or an. Look at the first picture. Here is a hut. Let's make sentence with that is a hut. Hut is far from the finger, So it is pointed that heart is far from us. So we will write that is a heart. Look at the next picture. Here is an ant. That is far from us. So that is an ant. And we are using an because ant begin with letter A. A is a vowel. So that is an ant. What is the spelling of ant? A-N-T, ant. Spellings are also written under the picture, so you will also learn these spellings. A-N-T, ant. That is an ant. In next picture, we are having pot. That is far from us. So make sentence with that. That is a pot. We will use a because pot begins with letter P. P is a consonant. And that T would be capital for that because T is the first letter of this sentence. That, the, at, that. That is a. We are using a because P is a consonant. First letter of pot is consonant. P is a consonant. We are using a. That is a pot. What is the spelling of pot? Pot. P-O-T, pot. That is a pot. Look at the next picture. Here is a hen. H-E-N, and hen begins with letter H, so it's a consonant. So we will use a. Let's make sentence that. T would be capital for that because it is the first letter of the sentence. That, the, at, that. That is a hen. Is. Write down is. I-S, is. That is a. We are using article a because hen begins with consonant letter H. That is a hen. After completing your sentence, don't forget to put full stop. That is a pot. That is a hen. Come to the dictation word. Here is a rug. We have a word for dictation practice. Rug. R-ug. Rug. Look at the picture. What is in the picture? It's a rug. R-U-G. R is the sound of R. Ug is the sound of U-G. R-ug. Rug. You will learn these spellings also. R-ug. Rug. We will practice it 3 times. And after writing it 3 times, you will learn these spellings also and revise your task. Now we will do dictation words. We are going to do practice of dictation words on page number 48. Open your page number 48. We are going to do dictation words. Read and write. Look at the first picture. What is it? It's a pod. P-O-D, pod. Pod of a P. Next picture is of a rod. R-O-D, rod. Next is of mop. P-O-D, pod. You will write in next 2 lines. You will practice it 2 times. And you will start from first line. Let's write P-O-D, pod. P-O-D, pod. P is the sound of P. Odd is the sound of O-D. So let's write small P-O-D. P-O-D, pod. What is the spelling of pod? P-O-D. And what is the sound of pod? P-O-D, pod. Now repeat it. P-O-D, pod. Next word is rod. R-O-D, rod. Let's write rod. R is the sound of R. Write small r in middle 2 lines. Then O-D, od. R-O-D, road. R-O-D, rod. R-O-D, rod. You will learn the spellings. Next picture is of mop. M-O-P, mop. M-O-P, mop. Let's write mop. M is the sound of M. So let's write small m in middle 2 lines. M-O-P, mop. You will learn the spellings of all these dictation words. We have completed 1 line. Next line you will complete yourself. You will write 1 more time in next line. Now come to the next picture. What is it? Here we have a log. Log of wood. og log. Here we will write in next line og log. L is the sound of L. Og log. Og log. Learn the spellings also. Log log. Og log. In next line you will write it yourself. Next is a picture of hot. The tea is hot or the cup is hot. So what is the spelling of hot? H-O-T, hot. And what is the sound of hot? H-O-T, hot. H-O-T, hot. In next line you will write it one more time. Next picture is of box. B-ox, box. Write box in next line. B-ox, box. Let's write box. B is the sound of B. Ox is the sound of OX. So let's write B-O-X, box. B-ox, box. So now you will learn the spelling of all these dictation words and write them one more time in next line. It was your today's task. After completing your task, you will say Alhamdulillah. Allah Hafiz students.